Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to, within TikTok, add your own music or custom audio to your TikTok videos. So as you can see here, I am within TikTok. I have the video editor open. And as you know, normally within TikTok, it only allows you to add audio. So if we hit record here and I record this video, and as you can see here, I'm recording, here's my office, different things like that. And then I go ahead and stop the recording. Basically, if I hit the check mark here, I go to that recording that I just did there. I can go here and under sounds right here where I go to sounds, it will only allow me to add tracks or sounds or audio that is already within TikTok. It will not allow me to add a custom audio, which is something that we're going to be doing today in this video tutorial. So let's say you want to add audio or music tracks that are not included within the app itself. So if you want to do that, we're going to be showing you how to do that today. So the first thing you want to do is download a free video editor from the App Store. The one that I like to use is one called InShot. It's completely free. You can use iMovie if you are on an iOS device. You can use something that you're more familiar with on your Android, whatever you want to do. But I recommend using InShot, absolutely free. It's absolutely fantastic, really easy to edit video with. So what you want to do is go to your video recording app within your phone, whatever that is, and then go ahead and start recording a video. So as you can see here, I'm recording a video like I normally would, and I'm going to go ahead and stop that and add that to my video library. And now hop back over to InShot or whatever video editor that you have decided to use and tap on video there. And then once there, you can see all the different videos that you may have had in the past. I'm going to go ahead and use this one here of my daughter jump roping. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the green check mark there. That way we can go ahead and start editing that video. And now as you can see, I can click and hold and edit and drag kind of where the video, where I want it to be in the video. And then there is a music tab up there above the timeline. If I tap on that music tab, it will allow me to go here and click the button that says Add Tracks. So if we click on the purple Add Tracks button there, or tap on that, you can see here we can go to something that's called Imported Music. So if we tap on Imported Music, we can actually see here that we now have an option to extract audio from video, we can airdrop, or we can use files, or we can even use other apps. So this is the beauty of doing it here, is we can import custom music. Now, this is the one way of doing it, right? Is importing it via these files, getting it airdropped to your device. So we could go to airdrop here, and we could even airdrop this, and it'll show you instructions on how to do this from your Mac. If you're using a Mac, you can airdrop it. If not, when you go to import music, you can see the files here. We can go to files, and then we can actually upload files to our device to have those custom tracks. You could even record audio from like an audio recorder, put that file on your phone and upload that here. Another option is through iTunes. We can go to iTunes here, and it will allow it to kind of have access to all of these songs here in your iTunes library. Just remember that copyright rules do apply. I'm going to get a lot of comments on this video that say, oh, it's limiting me to 15 seconds, or every video upload gets pulled down because of copyright. That's how copyright laws work, right? Like if you don't have the if you don't have the rights to utilize that song in your content, it's illegal. You can't do it. So understand that going into this as well. All right, so the other way, and probably the easiest way of adding your own music to this, is that when you're recording a video, so I'm going to hop back over to my video recorder now. All right, and right now I have hopped back into my video recorder, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on video here. The easiest way to import custom audio to your TikTok videos is just to play it on a different device. So I have some copyright-free music here from the YouTube audio library, and I'm going to go ahead and start playing one of these tracks right now, just through my speakers. And then if I press record, you can see I'm recording the video now for my TikTok, and I'm hearing the audio from the actual external speakers. And as I'm recording this, I'm going to go ahead and stop now. I'm going to go ahead and stop the track. So now what happens is when we go into our video editor here and we pull that video and we go ahead and hit the check mark here, that actual custom audio will be put into, if we play this back here, that audio will be basically in this specific video. So that's kind of a workaround way of how you can get music tracks that are kind of custom to yourself into your TikTok videos. So two different ways of doing this, right? There's two workarounds. One, you can go to an external video editor and import the audio a different way. So we can go to music here, go to add tracks, and then we can even add our iTunes library. We can go to featured or import music. All of the normal video editors allow you to do this, where you can basically go here and you can see here that we can use files, airdrop, extract audio from video. So this one's the one that I was kind of telling you about right there, is we can extract the video from the video, and we can go here, tap on that video we just recorded, extract the audio, hit the check mark, rename this to be whatever, tunes, whatever you want to call it. Tap OK, and then successfully saved to the folder. So now what we can do is we can go back here, just go back to that video that I was showing you guys. So if we discard this video here, we go back to our video library, choose the one that I wanted there with my daughter jump roping, and then the music that we can use here is under music, under tracks. We go here to imported music, go to tunes, is the track we just did, go to use, and now that audio that I recorded from the external speakers, I can now use it here with my video. And if I play that back, it's going to be that audio that I used and showing you guys when I recorded. So if I go ahead and play, you can see now that that actual audio is being pulled from that recording that I did. So again, there's a couple of workarounds. Just be very careful with copyright laws, because those do definitely are a big thing right now. And you need to make sure, as it should be, you need to make sure that you're utilizing only music and audio that you have the rights to. The best way to do that is just to Google copyright-free music, and you can find a ton of great artists, talented artists, that will allow you to utilize their audio for your content. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video, share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more great tech tutorials just like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.